By organizing data using Excel, data analysis and other users can make information easier to view as the data is added or changed. Okay, so you can just like these are called as cells. Okay, so you can see that we have these are the cells, we have rows and we have the columns. Okay, so these things are called as these are the rows, 1 2 3 4 5 6, these are the rows and these are the columns. Okay, so the columns are named using the letters A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H up until Z. Now this is the Excel interface. Okay. So here you see that this is the name box. This is called as the name box. Okay, so that is the address of a particular cell. Okay, and if you place your cursor on any of the cells, it will be like in green color. Okay, so that is a selected cell, and these are the rows, as I said, and these are the columns, and over here you can see this is the formula, and these are the basic formatting options. So you can just change the color. Okay, you can make it bold, italic, and all those things. This is basic formatting. And then we can also like do the alignment, and then we can also format the number. Okay, and these are some of the use cases, and then we can do conditional formatting. Based on some condition, formatting can be done. We can also have advanced formatting. Okay, and what else do we have? Yeah, this is you can align it to the top. This is bottom, and this is middle, and this is bottom. Okay, so the thing is here. Now you will understand this better. This is top aligned, this is middle aligned, and this is bottom aligned. Okay, similarly